What's going on YouTube? This is Marcos from Equipment Out Pressure Washing, now back again with another video. In this video we got a driveway cleaning, sidewalk and walkway that we got to get clean. Let's go ahead and take a look around.
Okay, even the sun goes down, heroes eventually die, horoscopes often lie, and sometimes why. Nothing is for show, nothing is for certain, nothing lasts forever but until they close the curtain. It's him and I, Equipment I.
Alright guys, so we're going to do the driveway and this walkway right here up to the stairs. We're not doing the porch, so that's going to be out. We're going to clean the stairs right here because they're kind of dirty and that's going to stick out. We're going to walk down, get this driveway right here, all the way over here. Now this, I'm not too sure if I'm going to get this. I'm going to do a test spot because this is new concrete. We don't want to damage it. So we may not do this part right here, but we'll see what happens in a second. Go ahead and get the driveway down to here. And the walkway, or the sidewalk and the curve, we're going to do that. Stop right here with the curve. And the walkway, I'm gonna go all the way down. We got leaves and stuff because it's November, so of course leaves and stuff gonna fall. Luckily they don't have too many leaves and stuff. So like the neighbor had a concrete done. I'm not sure when they had it, but we're gonna stop right here and stuff like that. Because you see that and that, I'm pretty sure that they had that done a while ago and stuff. So. And like I said, we're going to do the curves. I like to do the curves because to me, if you don't do the curves, the nastiness will stick out. So that's the walk around. We're just going to go ahead and get y'all set up. And we're going to start up in the front and work our way down. All right, here we go. Okay guys, I am finished doing the wash. Let's go ahead and take a look around at everything. Okay, as you can see, I did the sidewalk. I did a post treatment on the sidewalk. I really didn't do anything in the street because I don't want to get chemicals. I don't want to get chemicals in the sewer and stuff like that. So what little bit I can stop from going in the street, I'm gonna make sure that I don't do it. Even though that rule is old, back in the 70s and stuff about the sewer, I still try to keep it clean. Right here, I didn't really hit numbers that good because putting pressure on that will wash it off. So anytime you see number on the sidewalk, do not pressure wash it. All right, over here, you have the post treatment on the bottom part of the driveway and also on the sidewalk. Up here, I did a post treatment, but this is starting to dry and everything. As you can see, this is pretty good. I did go over this, and I kind of went with how the lines are going into the concrete, so it won't be noticeable. But yeah, it was real sensitive, and I'll try to move real quick over this. I don't like pressure washing new concrete. So what I did it where it won't be noticeable as far as any kind of lines and stuff. Over here, this is the driveway on this side. It's all dry and it has been post-treatment. I don't really see any lines, so that looks good. Everything over here on the walkway up to the stairs are good. Those stairs look real good. Came out better than what I expected were. You can tell the side that I didn't pressure wash and stuff like that, so maybe if I come back and pressure wash the house or either the porch, we can get that taken care of. But other than that, all this looks good. Even underneath my truck and stuff, I already post treated that. Only thing I did was just back up. Okay, Equipment, that's going to do it for this video. I hope that you found it entertaining. If not, at least I hope that you learned something from it. If you didn't, go back and look at the video because you skipped over the good parts. Once again, if you're a subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. Hey, this is Marcos from Equipment Pressure Washing, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.
It's him and I, Equipment.